Welcome! Today in front of me the FAIRPHONE 3 and I'll show you how to adjust the ringtone volume. The first step, go to settings, tap on sound, and here you got the media volume. Just move the dot on the left side and on the right side by this way and you can change the media volume. Then the second way, that's a media volume button. Just you can see the down media button, and here just press the up media button. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, just leave a like, leave comment and subscribe our channel.